Welcome to an overview of the Mandatory Picket Management System, MPMS. The Mandatory Picket Management System was created exclusively to coordinate political activity for labor unions. The goal of the system is to increase the efficiency and effectiveness of political action campaigns using a fair and impartial member selection process. Here's how the process works. MPMS selects members by a variety of criteria, including random order, proximity to the political action site, that is, members who live closest to the political action site, or political party affiliation. A fully stamped and addressed postcard is printed by specialized high-speed postcard printer. The system is capable of selecting and generating 250 postcards ready for mailing within 5 minutes. Logging into the system. The login screen is the entry point to the system. Each user must select a name from the list, then enter a valid password. Once a correct password has been entered, the system checks the user's access rights. Read-write access rights allows users to make changes, while read-only rights only allow users to review information. Access rights can only be changed by a system administrator. The Member Information Screen. The member screen displays vital information like name, address, and phone number, in addition to change of address information and service fulfillment history. If the member has fulfilled his organizing obligation for the cycle, referred to as served for the cycle, the time served box would be checked. There are 7 ways of reviewing membership records. Users can sort each record by member's name, member ID, address, local, picket location, picket date, receipt number, political affiliation, or random order. History of address change. The system maintains and displays a list of all changes to the member's address and records the reason for the address change. Valid reasons for change of address might include the local union made the request, the member made the request, the post office, possibly by means of a returned postcard. If an address is changed, the old address is saved to the change of address history file. A history of address changes can be displayed or printed for management review. Notice periods. The system tracks postcards for 5 notice periods. Think of a notice period the way jury duty works. Once you serve jury duty, you will not be called for some time. MPMS works similarly. After each postcard is printed, the current notice period box is automatically checked and the print date is saved. That member will not receive another postcard until the next notice period. Selecting picket locations. The picket site information screen serves 2 purposes. First, it provides a history of all picket locations used by the system. Second, the system automatically prints the current site information on the notification of service postcards for each member. Picket actions fall into many categories, including picket duty, political action, a meeting, rallies, support, and volunteer work. How to select members. Members can be selected a variety of ways, including random order to ensure maximum impartiality, by county and state, by area code, by political affiliation, by state or federal district, by zip code range, or by proximity to the political action site. Plainly put, it's possible, for instance, to request 100 members who are Democrats and live within 10 miles of a picket site. This is extremely effective because members who live closer to the picket site turn out at higher rates than those who have to travel a greater distance. The high-speed printing process. The system uses a CCAP 9KL desktop address printer capable of outputting 9,000 cards per hour. That's 9,000 fully stamped and addressed postcards with Picket location, date, and time ready for mailing. Service fulfillment. Once the member has performed his Picket duty, he receives a receipt from the line coordinator, which serves as proof that he has fulfilled his obligation. The Picket coordinator then returns the entire receipt book with signed original receipts from each member that showed up for Picket duty. Each member record is updated with the unique receipt number. The system knows not to mail another card to members who have served until the next cycle. Some benefits and results are: MPMS is infinitely more effective and efficient than phone banks. Selecting members is fair and impartial. There is built-in flexibility for members. Each has up to 5 chances to serve per cycle. Political activity becomes a more positive experience. Organizers spend less time working the phones. Members experience more consistent picket lines. And refreshed picket lines project strength and power. Benefits and responsibilities are shared amongst members. The union will be able to more effectively allocate resources and mobilize members who are closest to picket site, which of course dramatically increases member turnout. This is a true system, which means it saves time, energy, and money. At the end of the day, your union will project unity, strength, power, and political clout. Thank you for taking the time to review the mandatory picket management system. If you have further questions, please call Bill Lyons at area code 908-377-2295.